Have you ever pondered upon the blissful silence of solitude? Ever wondered what secrets it holds? In our hectic, interconnected world, solitude often gets a bad rap. But contrary to popular belief, solitude isn't synonymous with loneliness. Loneliness implies a longing for connection, a sense of isolation despite the desire for companionship. Solitude, on the other hand, is the state of being alone without feeling lonely, a conscious choice that allows us to reconnect with ourselves. Many of us fear solitude, equating it with the bleakness of isolation. But the truth is, solitude can be a powerful tool, a sanctuary where one can find peace and introspection. It's a space where we can turn down the volume of life's persistent demands and tune into our own thoughts, feelings, and desires. Far from being a dreadful state, solitude can be a wellspring of strength, creativity, and self-awareness. It's a state of self-discovery, a journey within. So let's embark on this journey to discover the hidden treasures of solitude. Now, let's explore the benefits of solitude, the silent companion that is often misunderstood. Imagine this: a world where your thoughts are the only sound, where you're the sole actor on your mental stage. This is the realm of solitude, and it's brimming with benefits. For starters, solitude boosts self-awareness. When you're alone, you become the observer of your thoughts and feelings, leading to a deeper understanding of who you truly are. Now, consider the hustle and bustle of your daily life. In the midst of all that noise, it's difficult to concentrate, isn't it? Solitude, on the other hand, provides the perfect environment to focus, enhancing your productivity. Moreover, solitude can improve your relationships. By spending time alone, you learn to enjoy your own company, which in turn makes you less reliant on others for happiness. And lastly, solitude can be a sanctuary from stress, a place where you can unwind and recharge. Indeed, solitude can be a powerful tool for personal growth and happiness. But how do we embrace solitude in a world that never stops talking? An excellent question indeed. The answer lies in the choices we make each day, subtly weaving solitude into the fabric of our everyday lives. Take time each day to be alone with your thoughts. Just a few moments of quiet reflection can prove to be a wellspring of inspiration. Let your mind wander freely, exploring the vast landscapes of your imagination without interruption. Then there are nature walks where the rustling leaves and chirping birds serve as a symphony of solitude. The great outdoors, with its boundless beauty, offers a serene backdrop for self-reflection and quiet contemplation. Practicing mindfulness, too, can be a gateway to solitude. By being present in the moment, you become an observer of your own thoughts and emotions, fostering a deeper connection with your inner self. Disconnecting from technology regularly is another crucial step. It's about stepping away from the constant chatter, the incessant notifications, and rediscovering the tranquility of silence. Remember, solitude is not about isolation, but about reconnecting with yourself. So, what have we learned about the silent companion called solitude? Throughout our journey today, we've explored the untapped power of solitude. It's not a foe to be feared, rather a friend to be welcomed. We've discovered that solitude has the potential to enhance our self-awareness. It's in those quiet moments alone that we can truly turn our gaze inwards, fostering a deeper understanding of our thoughts, feelings, and desires. We've also seen how solitude can bolster our productivity. Without the constant hum of external distractions, our minds are free to focus, to create, to innovate. In terms of relationships, solitude can help us appreciate the value of connection, while simultaneously teaching us the importance of setting boundaries. And when it comes to our overall well-being, solitude offers a sanctuary, a place for rest and rejuvenation. Next time you find yourself alone, remember, solitude is not a state to avoid, but a gift to embrace. Who knows, you might just discover the best version of yourself in the quiet corners of solitude.